Hi guys, I'm here kung saan magaganap ang exhibitors briefing ng Team Payaman Fair. So, medyo hintay lang tayo ng konti pero na CR na ako. Anyway, sige, labas na lang tayo, hanap tayo ng chiso dito.
Na mapasama dito sa ating event na taon-taon aabangan at inaabangan na ng mga netizens. Ay, yes! Ayun, parang talagang wala pa silang energy. Ayan, thank you so much, Bill and Beam. Ayan, anyway, meron po tayong coffee kung gusto nyo po para magising-gising kasi marami tayo. So if you're ready, without further ado, we would like to open this event.
Yung principal ni Henry C. Sr. Kaya inabot niya yung ganitong pagiging isa sa pinakamayaman sa bansa. Ano yung principal ni Henry C? Number 13. Doon ako sa 13. Yun yung sinasabi niya, ang mission niya pala is to create employment. So if we want to become like SM, kailangan pala nating mag-create ng employment. And this offering to us sa Bilan Media Group by SM is we grab the opportunities. We seize that opportunity na ibinibigay sa amin ni SM. And this is also your opportunity as a micro-entrepreneur, as a small entrepreneur, as medium, to be part of our project with SM. You have to seize this opportunity because opportunities not once in a lifetime. Ang kailangan po namin sa contract with SM is kasama namin yung micro-entrepreneur, small entrepreneur, and the medium entrepreneur. Kung large po kayo, wag na kayong sumama, total large na kayo. Maintain na lang po kayo doon sa Team Payaman Fair. Kasi po yon, alam naman natin, to tell you frankly, medyo mataas yung tina-charge ni Carol. Pero po dito sa caravan natin, napakaliit po yung hinihingi. Part of our contract is hindi dapat mataas ang singil namin sa micro-entrepreneur, MSME people, which is more or less for only 3,000 pesos. Henry C. wants us to become like him. Sabi niya, kailangan mag-create ng employment. Principle of Henry C. On our part, sa Bilan Group of Companies, we take this opportunity to seize na binibigay sa amin ng SM. And the same with you all na ino-offer namin. Pwede po bang malaman ko sino yung micro-entrepreneur na ang employee po ninyo is only 9? Yes, it's micro, 3 million. Because yung small entrepreneur po is 9 to 15 and 3 million to 15 million.
Hi guys, just to give you an update, tapos na yung Team Payaman's Fair exhibitors briefing. So, tumagal din ng 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 4 hours. So, okay naman. Marami naman silang na-discuss and clear naman yung mga dapat nilang i-discuss. So, and marami rin akong natutunan. Kaya, buti na lang ako yung nag-attend. Naiisip ko na magpa-attend na lang ng representative nung una sa